On this video, we're going to take a look at the Xrexs large scale LED clock with a stand and a remote. This comes with a timer, comes in different colors. Wow, and it's a matte finish. This looks so cool. Stay tuned for the whole video. If you're in need of a super easy to read and a super cool digital clock, you get one of these. So this is a smaller version, this is the big version with the remote. So I wanted to get a different sense of what they look like. They all come in different colors. This one comes in black, blue, white, and pink. This one operates on memory batteries. They basically have batteries. So I'm gonna open both of these up so you guys can see the difference between the two. And yeah, so okay, this one is black. Let's take a look at the back. There is a stand on the back right here. You can take this off if you don't want it. The batteries go in here. They provided you with all the batteries as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in total. You cannot plug this into an AC adapter. There are hanging brackets, so you could basically just kind of mount this on a wall if you'd like. So there's a snooze button, timer set, 12 hours. You can switch between the Fahrenheit and Celsius. You can set an alarm, and there's a timer. But this is the size of it. It's about 12 inches. This big boy is 16 inches and is powered by an AC adapter. Also, the big difference here is that the letters are red. Now, they did provide you with these little templates that makes it easy for you to mount. You basically just apply this, you pinch a hole, and then you know exactly where to place the holes. And we're gonna turn this on. Let's see here. All right, so battery wise, there are 2 memory batteries here. So this will just kind of keep it until you replug it. The power goes in here, and then our charging cube is here. That's pretty small. How many watts? AC 100 to 240, 9 volts, 100 milliamps, 0.6 amp. So here is a little sleeve for your cable. Plug that in. All right. You can see the little red light. That's done. All right, so you can see there's a little red light at the bottom. You got your brightness adjustments from auto to high to low. If it's on auto, it would change depending on how bright it is. Oh my goodness, this rocks. This is a matte finish. Wow, this looks so cool. I mean, when I compare it to this one, and this is basically what it looks like this one all the way. Yes, it's a little more expensive, but wow, this looks so cool. Mind you, this also comes in different colors as well. The background will stay black, but this color will change. You can also switch on the side here. It's all the same buttons as they are here, right? You have your AM, PM, your time, your day of the month, your value for a month, your temperature, and you can switch this again between Celsius. There's also a stand, so you can place this up like so. All right, let's see if the remote has batteries. Probably not. Oh my goodness, they do have batteries. And again, all the batteries are in individual sleeves, so you do have to take these off before they will work. Any company that provides batteries is awesome from my perspective. Okay, volume. It's loud. And this is the lowest. It's also got brightness, so this is the low brightness. And then it's got 3 levels of brightness. That's the brightness. So you can change the different languages as well. And then basically click set to keep switching between the different. See how that's changing as I'm changing? So it is August 31st, 22. It's 10:11 a.m. and it's a Wednesday. That is correct. Overall, wow, this looks cool. The only thing is you are going to need to be somewhere in the vicinity to plug this in, whereas the other ones work on a battery. Like this one works on a battery only. So that's the video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.